This is an important message to motor vehicle dealers around the world. As you are aware, counterfeiting is a global problem which costs the motor vehicle industry billions of dollars annually. And despite efforts by governments and industry players to stem this menace, counterfeiting continues to rise across all automotive categories. This is because auto parts counterfeiting is a lucrative business to those who engage in it. Cases of fraud in large organizations like yours have also been reported. In many cases, staff from parts division collude with those from servicing and sales division to manipulate orders for their own benefit. According to industry reports, the average organization loses up to 10% of its revenue to fraud every single year. This is a major concern to every top business manager, but we have a solution for you. Our latest innovation Mcarfix Dealers App is designed to address these problems. The mobile application Dotspot, which seamlessly links up vehicle owners with service providers to resolve motor vehicle problems, provides an integrated platform for seamless business engagements between all sector players and their target audience while locking out counterfeits from the supply chain. Through Mcarfix Dealers App, customers' purchase orders for vehicles, spare parts, and vehicle service requests are scheduled and processed in real time from the cell phones or computers from anywhere in the world. In addition, your products and services will also enjoy increased visibility from potential customers who are able to engage with the organization in real time from anywhere in the world. Like many managers tasked with navigating their organizations through these turbulent times, I believe you are constantly on the lookout for innovative technological solutions that add value to your strategic plans and goals. Evidently, Mcarfix Dealers App is that unique solution. Through the app, you will be able to monitor all business engagements and transactions at your organization from your cell phone. To try the Mcarfix app, just visit our Mcarfix website or Google Play Store and download it. I am sure you will be delighted at the numerous benefits it will bring to your esteemed organization. Thank you for your time.